It is an honor to be able to be here today.
Thank you so much.
And to award you our Yay of the Day. As you know, you were selected as today's award winner.
Thank you.
So I would love to read to you and tell you what your nominator said. Mr. Jackson went above and beyond to connect with his students before school even started. From helping his first-year band students select the instrument best for them, to teaching an entire class, all playing different instruments virtually, he has been outstanding. I am in awe. Can you believe this man somehow managed to organize, teach, and assemble a winter band concert with first-year band students all playing from their own homes? We are thankful for his dedication and his innovation during this challenging time. So Kirk, congratulations on your nomination, on all you do, not only for the students that were talked about in this nomination, but for all the students at Tuckahoe Middle, your school community, the Henrico County Schools community. We are grateful to have you, and thank you. And yay!
Thank you. Thank you.